Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geelan for SYS-CON TV. I'm here with John Young at the 11th Cloud Expo, CEO of Appcara. I think you've been with us at nearly every single Cloud Expo, John.
Yeah, thank you, Jeremy. It's great to be here. This is the third event that we came to Cloud Expo.
And a little bird has told me that yet again, Appcara is releasing something new at Cloud Expo. That's very flattering, I think.
Yeah, well, if you remember back in June in New York, we released our version 2 product that has application marketplace, which lead us to a few paying customers, which is great. So on Monday this week, we announced our version 3 product that has two very important capabilities. Now, one is the legacy to cloud migration, so any Windows server that runs on physical server or virtual, we can, with a few clicks and credential, we can turn it into a machine image and import into the cloud. And then the second, which is I think more important feature, is the self-publishing capability. So any service provider, which are our customer target, they can invite ISV to publish through this self-service publishing capability. So no one needs to be in the middle when they ask ISV to publish, so they can monetize and do revenue sharing.
That sounds intriguing. So have you had, what kind of response? We're halfway through. You must be able to gauge what kind of response you're getting to this.
Well, a lot of interest in this area. We target more for service providers, which are paying customers are all service providers, right? So they want to somehow get into the application space on top of the cloud. Right, and more important is that they want to get commercial software, so they get a piece of the revenue that the application running in the data center. So we have quite a few interests yesterday, and we have actually a pretty good pipeline of service provider that either waiting to get on trial or in the middle of implementation.
Well, if I understand you correctly, you said it worked for you last time. You launched it at Cloud Expo. You had paying customers as a result. I think the same will happen this time, don't you?
I think so. No, we are actually doing a proof of concept for 2 or 3 service providers right now on top of the paying customer that we have. So I'm really pleased.
So it's going well for Appcara.
Yes.
And what can we expect looking forward? I'm sure we'll see you in June in New York. What kind of cycle do you have on these new releases? Is it too much to hope yet another one at the next Cloud Expo? Well,
we're actually working on the next release, okay, that timing-wise might match Cloud Expo again. Because we go very deep into the application automation, which we don't use server templates, so we can take on very complex enterprise applications that are multi-tier, multi-language that most of the solution today cannot. That's what attracts like some of the really large public cloud provider to use our platform to power their application side, right? So there's a lot more to do. I think we need to get on like the more complex enterprise applications like SAP, Oracle, and those are our goal to get into the next release.
Well, let's hope that comes true. I'm sure it will when we talk again in June in New York. People go to appcara.com. What will they see there?
Well, we actually launched a new website, so you have a lot more content now. And if you're interested to do a trial, you can get the experience and just go to trial.appcara.com and fill out some information, and then we activate your trial account and you can give it a try.
There you are, personal invitation, trial.appcara.com, invitation from the CEO himself, John Young. Thank you so much, John, for talking with us here at 11th Cloud Expo in Silicon Valley, and thank you for following out there on the World Wide Web.